Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah, that's good. That's a good go. Come here. Go. Hey, go. Come here. No, 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 no. No, come here. Come here. Hey, hey. You have the right to remain silent and not make any statements at all. Any statements you make may be used against you at trial. Any statements you make may be used as evidence against you in court.
When I go in there, I want to be able to, like, get it.
It's a turkey, not a tiger.
Yeah, it's gonna scratch, dude. Have you hunted turkey before? I see it.
How big is it?
I think it's doable.
Oh yeah. It's walking around.
It's not a tom, so that's good.
Oh god.
Alright, should we just go in at it? What are you hiding over there for?
You got the gloves and the net. Come on, let's go.
Alright. Yeah. Told you it's getting. Yeah, we needed 2 of these, Brady.
You get it or not?
Got in one room here.
Okay, keep it in that room. We need another gnat. Because I'm useless.
Oh my god. Got him.
Hey! Well done.
Alright, now I just don't know what to do.
We do not want things we don't want to.
We got her. There you go. Well done.
Whew. How you doing? Oh, you friendly boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Here. Oh, you gonna get in? You're just gonna get in? Okay. Well, I gotta drive though. Scooch. Can you scooch? Can you scooch back? No, I gotta drive. Okay. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Can you move over? No, over here. You're slobbering on my seat, dude. Come on. Look at this clown. Okay, come on. I gotta get in. No, I gotta get in. Can you move? There you go. Oh, good boy. Oh my God.
Okay.
Come on. Shh. Punch in. Ah! Oh, wrong way. Oh, come on. No! You dumb raccoon. Come on, this way, buddy. Make a hole. Come on, go. Oh, shoot.
Hey, you're supposed to use your rake.
Go open the garage door. Go open the garage door.
Get that table out of the way.
Make a run for it.
Where the hell? No!
You gotta be kidding me.
So crazy.
Go, cars.
Wait, Mom, no.
Get her. Chasing him out of there.
Oh, my oh, this car's in the way. I can't see. This guy. Go get him. He can't even run right. They're scared of it. Oh, that lady's not scared. Oh, poor thing. Aw.
She can't even get. Oh, see, come on.
Could happen, man. Of course.
Yo, watch your head,
Watch
buddy.
your head, brother. It's glass, yeah. And he, like I said, brother, he has antlers, so just a heads up, you know what I mean?
It must have been the most unusual bank break-in the police had ever seen, because the intruder turned out to be a deer.
I got.
Clear a pit. Just move that clear too. That's it? Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna turn your radio. The squirrel turned it on? Please. Oh!
Slowly. Listen. Mr. Gator. Don't hurt me. Oh God! Oh my God!
He won't get it here. He won't go after you. Walter, get it here now. Get it here. Boy, get it here. You shoot your ass.
I'm sorry? Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Whoa, 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 whoa!
A judge determines that the woman's dog was a threat, yet she did nothing about it, and the dog kept being walked without a muzzle. As a result, the police were left with no option but to seize the animal.
Yeah.
All right, well, ma'am...
Oh no, the pigs are being chased by little pigs. How funny is that? You ever see a pig get chased by a pig? Where'd he go? Any idea where? No, it's been in the neighbor's yard. Hey guy, are you serious? Whose pig is this?
Right up here?
Yeah.
Oh, right there. I got a pole, but this one's kind of small, so I'll grab it.
Look at you, you're a hero.
This big guy got stuck in a trash bin and couldn't get out without help. The risky rescue operation fell to the officers.
Oh, there you go.
He's gonna go down and he's gonna come out.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, there he goes. He's out. Come on, attaboy. Good boy. Go.
Squeeze him. Get him, get him.
None of the officers could have imagined that chasing a wild piglet would turn out to be the toughest thing of their entire careers.
Oh, it's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Get him in there. Get him, Mike. Yeah.
I wish it had sticks, but I'm pushing it.
You said no.
Oh!
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off. I wanted to scratch it.
It's okay.
Viv. Go. Go.
An officer showed up at the farm to investigate a missing pony.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine. Well, there you go. Thank you.
Looks like this little guy was ready to give a witness statement.
That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car.
pull out as soon as you get it off.
I get it. Yep.
This isn't the first time officers have had to chase down a kangaroo named Irwin. The little rascal has escaped from his owners for the second time, and he's grown quite a bit since his last encounter with the police.
You just need our resident cowboy, dude. I knew it.
Alright, well. You go, buddy. Oh, Jesus.
You okay? Oh my God.
At this point, we got 148. Oh my God, dude! You're stuck. You're stuck.
Here he is. The drama is the key. Oh, there you go. Oh, what the hell? What happened, Joe? I'm good. I'm good. What'd you hit?
Atlanta police were responding to a car fire when they discovered a dog tied to a tree just steps away from the burning vehicle. The officers rushed to help, freeing the animal and giving it the care and affection it truly deserved.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. He's on the... Yeah, it's okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, Papa. It's okay. Jesus. Let me try to do it. Let me try to do it. Hold him. Just hold him. I got it. If I cut him, I cut him. Battle too. Hold on, I got you. Just bring him down if you can. Bring him down. I got you. I got you. He off. He off. Come on, he off. Come on. I got him. Go. Come here. I got you. Come here. Come. Hold on, y'all. Hey. How about they gonna let you go down? Yeah. Good job, guy. Way to go.
Quack, quack, quack. Chicken. Get your up to date. What is? Huh?
That's turkey. I have turkos and that turkey.
Quack, quack. Oh, man. Yeah. Quack, quack. Get back up. Somebody better come get that. Quack. Yeah. Back up. Here, here's your stuff back. Back up. I'll be right back, ma'am. Give me a second. Come here. Come on. Oh, gosh. Go this way. Go. Keep going. This way. You know, some big old talons. Come here. Come on.
Bringing a runaway animal back to its owner sounds easy, unless it's an emu. This feathered troublemaker acted like a hardened repeat offender.
Oh, look who's got you now. Don't move. Not yet. Hey, don't bite me. Don't even think about it. Don't do it. Are you done resisting? I don't want to have to charge you. Yeah, Say hello.
Oh! He probably needs more help with the zebras than I do.
So what are we doing?
A trailer carrying wild animals suddenly burst into flames for unknown reasons. The police managed to save all the camels and zebras and keep them from panicking.
Come on! Come on, boy! Come on, boy! Come on, boy! Come on, let me go. Wow! Hey, Porky!
All right.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
All right, y'all need to come on now. Go ahead. Come on, let's go. Come on. Everybody get back.
Is that it?
Yes.
Boy, we're going to be out with the kangaroo and the owners. Is it a kangaroo or a wallaby?
Wallaby.
Told you.
Actually,
What's his name?
Charlie.
Charlie?
I know this is a
That's why they...
Charlie, you're a little escape artist.
Hello.
I know you want
Oh,
another
whoa, you are very soft.
I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be like the highlight of my entire year. So
That's what I'm saying.
I saw this on the board, I'm like, you gotta be kidding.
The good stuff, look.
Oh, yes. Can I pet you?
Oh yeah. I'll let you for sure.
Oh man, you are so
Yeah, he's
soft.
like, it's like a rabbit almost.
Police department, search warrant.
Get out of there. Are you kidding me? Get out. Huh. There's nothing to eat in there. Come on.
Looks like those two have zero respect for law enforcement.
Quit eating that. Get out of here. Come on. Don't you eat that.
Turns out it only takes one stubborn swan to bring traffic to a standstill. It took coordinated teamwork to round up the feathered rule breaker.
No, thanks, though. Hey, go home. Go home. Go home. Go. Hey, hey, hey. Get back. Hey, hey. I think I'll be okay. Down the road! Down the road! Come on!
A routine neighborhood patrol turned into a hilarious little quest for the officer. A whole flock of chickens had escaped from a nearby farm, and the officers had to catch them all.
Yeah, good chicken. I shall name you Bertha.
That was fun. I remember our friends. There you go, baby.
You get sprayed? I'm gonna try to get animal control out here.
My dispatch said they wouldn't come out down the interstate.
I'm gonna try to get, no, I'll get them out here.
The officers keep everyone here safe, and that includes the ducklings too.
Come on.
Buddy, don't say a word without a lawyer. No, this isn't a harmless pet dog. It's a wild coyote. Of course, they couldn't just leave it in trouble, but helping it required extreme caution.
What? That shovel.
There it is. Good work. Good work, y'all.
Imagine coming home to find an enraged mother raccoon waiting for you, convinced you're a threat to her babies. That's exactly what happened to the person who filmed this video.
Take a look at this body cam video of officers wrangling that snake. Better them than me. The police department says incidents like this highlight the wide range of calls their officers respond to every day. Can you imagine? Nope. They got the snake in a bucket, safely released it somewhere away from homes and people. Thank you to the Trophy Club police out there. We appreciate y'all.
The stuff nightmares are made of.
Exactly.
For so many.
All these flooded pasture lands that we've seen. Where are you taking them? Higher ground?
How many police officers do you think it takes to catch a goose?
Moet je al denken, wat voor kruiden nou dan? Zo, en deze moet die auto ook gewoon nog aan.
Ja! Dit is een eigen van thuislaap, let op. Dit is toch abnormaal?
Ik ga gewoon een volgende omkleden.
Dit kan
Hij
toch?
glijdt er alweer af.
Oh.
Die is helemaal naar de grond.
Oh, even die auto even lekker.
Waar komt dat beest vandaan dan?
Ja, dat weten we allemaal niet.